Well, I just got home and we're gonna set some traps. Now that we got it all set up, I was just over here, and in here, it sounds like they have an amusement park in the wall. I don't understand. It sounded like they were having slides, but I set them a nice little hotel. They should be all cozy inside there. Well, anyways, I'll give you an update in the morning. It's probably gonna be dark when I come back out here before work. We're gonna have some good success. I don't know if you can see me, but we're gonna go check Chicken Hotel. I'll get my light because it's dark out there. Balloons are going up right now. Balloon fiesta's happening right now. We got our light. Oh, look, there's the kitty cat. That's a little savage. Let's see what you guys got in here. Look at them all up there still. Wake up, girls. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, look at the jeez. What the? Look, there's one in the hole. What the? We got one there, two there. We got one. It's raining. We got to make it way out to the shop. This is gonna be bad. I got some new traps. I got some ideas. I'm gonna catch them suckers. You know, they're not gonna eat my chicken food. I don't want them to eat my chicken food. We're inside. Oh, the kitty cat. Meow. Where are you? Oh, right there. I'll show you guys right now. It's gonna be cool. Hotels and strips, just like the Vegas Strip. All right, today at work, I've been thinking all about this. All about these mice, these pesky little mice. So I went out and got more mouse traps, whole bunch. Oh, I bought all of them, Tractor Supply. They were $1.99 a piece. So I bought four more bags. I bought 4 more bags of them, 4 more bags. So what we're gonna do here is I'm going to attach them kind of like this with these little tiny screws. It stopped raining. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna make some, what do you even call it? What would you call this? My kitty cat has been doing her job. She catches them in here in the shop. I found one on the floor over here today. I picked it up. I found another one from my other cat over by the back door of the house. That cat loves to bring me treasures, I guess. Birds, rabbits, mice, daily. So we're gonna try to minimize that because I don't see them sometimes for a while because I go out the other door. Let's get started and make some mouse traps. All right, let's strategically place these things so it's optimum for the traffic of the mice. That's BS, by the way. They just do whatever they want. That's why we're trying to catch them. So I'm just gonna put them on here randomly. And I'm using these little tiny screws because that's what I've got, but I think they're gonna work pretty good. They're like really tiny. And the reason I use these little tiny ones, because I think that the big ones in there are going to split the actual trap. And that's why I pre-drill the holes. So you saw that video this morning where the dang mouse tried to run off with the trap. Ain't running off with the 2x8. Watch. Pow, pow. Let's do the rest of them. I gotta try to figure out how to set them without making them all go off at once. I think I can do this. I'm not an idiot. Yeah, sometimes I am. But dad. Don't butt dad me. This might take a minute. You know what? I'm gonna get a power drill and just have self-control. This is gonna go faster now. The things I do to entertain myself. It's not like I don't have a million other things to be doing. One done. This is working out pretty good. Let's see, I wanna show you guys. Let's get the next one. Let's flip her around. The whole purpose of doing this, screwing these down, when they snap, they fling themselves. So I don't want one to get on one of them and fling it and set the other one off premature. I want maximum catching, no screwing around. Another mouse strip ready for business. All right, now that we got our traps up, let's go get some premium cheese out of the shop fridge. Okay, make sure you use premium cheese. By premium cheese, I mean just cheese, the cheap cheese. Well, I don't know if it's cheap or not, but I do know if it's cheap or not because I pay for it. It's the cheese that you get from the store, just cheese from the store. I'm gonna load these bad Larrys up with some premium cheese. Give these guys a little snack. Just squish it on in there. Just make sure it goes in the holes. The tighter, the better. That's what he said. I've tried the bucket trick where they climb up the little ladder and try to drop themselves in there. For some reason, it hasn't worked for me. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe I need to put a sign out there that says, "Mice, go up this way." Now that you got your mouse traps all packed tight with cheese, let's go set these bad boys. See if we can't snap our fingers. I got these things in here. Now, stay back, chickens. These are killer chickens in here. Look at them. They're ferocious. So we're gonna put these bad Larrys right here. Dang, that almost looks like a grand finale at the 4th of July show. Back up, sucker. See that guy? Hey, back up. Now that they're all set, I hope that they don't, like, one goes off and then they all go off. So we gotta cover them so that my chickens don't try to get in here. They're covered. I want to put a brick or something on top of that so that the chickens will still get in there. They're weird. But I'm gonna put some glue traps in. That's gonna be the sticky hotel. Look at my chickens. They made me some eggs. Let's go get some glue traps and another top and maybe a brick. I cut a hole in this thing so that they could go in. I'm gonna use some cat food, just some more my kitty cat food. So I'm gonna put it in the corner. I've seen it where they get in there, get stuck, and then they run around in it, and it flips it over and it sticks. And mice are nasty. I've seen it where they eat each other. I don't know what it is about this year, but there's a ton of mice. My cats keep doing a really good job at it. I don't really care where that hole is. They're gonna come in there regardless. They go everywhere in here. So I'm gonna put this on top so that the chickens don't go in there.
Creepy crawlers in here. Let's see what we got. I know these chickens are probably still sleeping.
They say, "What are you doing in here so early?"
We may have a bigger problem. We may have a bigger problem than I thought. Let's take care of these ones. Let's get this. Oh my gosh.